Hi, this is lesson 1-1, representing numbers, our lesson for today. This is a more difficult lesson, and this is a longer video as well than we'll have usually. You know how to read and write 2-digit numbers. Today you'll learn how to read and write 3-digit numbers. First we'll begin with vocab words to know for this lesson. One word to know is the word digit. A digit is a number between 0 and 9. For example, the digits in the number 7,154 are 7, 1, 5, and 4. Place value is another term to know. Place value tells you the value of each digit in a number according to its position in the number. You've probably seen something like this before. It's got a place value chart with space for hundred thousands, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. I just moved it a little bit so you could see down at the bottom of that place value chart they put a comma in the thousands box to remind you that you always put a comma after the number in the thousands place. How is the tens place related to the ones place? If you need to talk about that or think about that question, pause the video now. The tens place is related to the ones place because it is 10 times more than the ones place. What place has a value 10 times as great as the tens place? Again, pause the video if you need to. The place in the hundreds is 10 times as great as the tens. Think about the number 8,659. What number is in the tens place? The number 5 is in the tens place. What's its value? Its value is 50. What number is in the ones place? The number 9 is in the ones place. What is its value? Its value is just 9. What number is in the thousands place? The number 8 is in the thousands place. What's its value? Its value is 8,000. What number is in the hundreds place? The 6 is in the hundreds place. What is its value? Its value is 600. Standard form is another word to know. Standard form means to write a number using only digits. We think of it as the regular way to write a number. Examples include 2,971 written in all numbers, 414 written in numbers, 802 written in numbers. Word form is another term to know. Word form means to write a number using words. Examples include 2,971 all written out in words, or 77 written out in words, or 101 written out in words. Expanded form is another term to know. Expanded form means to write a number as the sum of the values of its digits. This one's a little bit trickier, so pay close attention. Examples include the number 2,971 written as 2,000 plus 900 plus 70 plus 1. The number 567 written as 500 plus 60 plus 7. The number 1,004 written as 1,000 plus 4. Our school library has more than 500 books. Can you name some other collections that have more than 500 items? Pause the video to think about things that have big numbers. How can you use place value blocks to show the number 274? If you don't have place value blocks at home, you could draw some place value blocks to show 274. There's a picture of place value blocks showing 274. Now, let's write it in expanded form. Pause the video to do that now. Here I've written 200 plus 70 plus 4 on the board to show the number 274 in expanded form. Let's practice with some more numbers in place value blocks. For each of the following, write the number in standard form and expanded form. Here you see some place value blocks. Write the number in standard form and expanded form. Pause the video to take time to do that. You should have written the number 22 in standard form or 20 plus 2 in expanded form. Here's another one. Pause the video so you can write it in standard form and expanded form. You should have written 132 in standard form and 100 plus 30 plus 2 in expanded form. Here's another number. Pause the video so you can write it in standard form and expanded form. You should have written 460 in standard form, or in expanded form, 400 plus 60. There's no ones cubed, so there's nothing to write for the ones place. Now there will be a 3-digit number on the screen, and you will show the number using place value blocks. Then write it in expanded form. Again, pause the video as you need to, and use place value blocks if you have them, or draw them if you don't. $172. 100 plus 70 plus 2. 211. 200 plus 10 plus 1. 450. 400 plus 50. Now we will practice seeing a number in word form and writing it in standard form. So, pause the video as needed. 3,822. You should write that number in standard form. Here's another one. 7,500. You should have written that number. Here's another one. Write it in standard form. It should look like this. Try this one in standard form. There it is. Now we will practice changing numbers from standard form to word forms. So get ready to write the numbers out as words. Pause the video so you can write that out in words. Here's the correct answer. Pause the video so you can write this out in words. Here's your correct answer. Pause the video and write this in words. Here's your correct answer. Pause the video and write this number in words. There's your correct answer. Now write the place of the underlined digits, and then write its value. In this number, what place is the 5 in? What's the value of the 5? Pause the video while you figure this out. Here's the answer. The 5 is in the ones place, and it has a value of 5. Here's another one. What's the place of the underlined digit? What's the value? Hundreds place, and a value of 500. What's the place of this underlined digit? What's its value? It's in the thousands place, and the value is 4,000. That's the end of our video today. I hope that everybody watching will email me, let me know if there's anything I could do better or make more clear on these videos. I'm going to try to continue to do this all year. Thanks for watching.